If you're eating crackers and you don't hear that crunchy sound, let me explain this better. If you don't get that crack, crack, crack sound, my friend, you aren't eating crackers. You're eating crack, crack. Benedict's table, where every meal is made with love. Alright, welcome to yet another interesting tutorial on Benedict's table. In today's video, we're going to be making onion cracker. You heard me right? Onion cracker. Alright, let's get started. Into a bowl, pour 60 grams of milk, 30 grams of melted unsalted butter, and then 2 grams of salt. Now we whisk this together until it is well combined, and we'll move to the next stage. You go in with your flour, 150 grams of flour, 2 grams of yeast, instant yeast, that is what we're using, and 1 gram of baking soda. Now use your spatula to mix this until it comes together. You know, at some points the spatula won't be doing the work and you would need to use your hand to do the kneading. Next, you go in with some onion, about 35 grams of spring onion, and next 10 grams of sesame seed. Now this is where your hand is needed. Your hand needs to get to work right now, so you knead this properly until everything comes together, and then you cover and allow to rest for about 30 minutes before you bring it. Now it has rested for 30 minutes and we're about to roll this out on a flat surface. Okay, to make this easier for us, you put the dough on a parchment paper and then you cover with another layer of parchment paper and use your rolling pin to roll out thinly, very, very thinly, because we want our crackers to be very crunchy, so we roll it out very thinly. Please do not forget. Now you trim the edges and then you cut it into your preferred shape. That is all it takes, to get this delicious crunchy onion crackers. Let me tell you something you don't know. After trying out this recipe in your spare time, I bet you would no longer buy crackers. You would no longer buy it, because what's the point in buying crackers when I can make delicious homemade crackers without preservatives, like very fresh, where you know everything you're eating. Okay, now after you've cut into your preferred shape, you put in a baking tray and then you poke with a fork. Now the reason we're poking this with a fork is so that it doesn't puff up when it gets into the oven, to let that steam or air out of it. And next, we're going to be baking this in an oven. Yes, what temperature are we using? 170 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, my dear friends. Just for 15 minutes, and this our crackers is ready. Guys, you can see it, very beautiful, golden brown, colorful, and yummy. If you've watched to this point, my dear friends, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and then like this video, share, leave nice comments, ask questions if you're not clear about anything, and I'll be here to answer you. Until my next video, stay safe and out of trouble. Bye.